To customize lock screen style in Motorola Signature, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and select Personalize, and then we can click on the lock screen right here. Now you'll be able to click on your lock screen and that way change your clock. You can click on the clock and then switch to different style for it like this. Each of them will offer you different types of customization. For example, the default one, you can change the font style. You can change the color for it as well. Then we can go back, and here you can click on those widget circles and apply different widget to your lock screen as well, so you can see the battery percentage or something like that. Then when you go back to the style editing, you can go for a shortcuts and apply different shortcuts to the left and bottom right corner. So for example, we can add flashlight to the left and then a camera to the right. Then there's notification style, so you can change notifications to bubbles. That will look like this. Then you can go for chips and the list of standard notifications. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.